Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2. As that one was loading, I started thinking about there's probably an easier way to do it. So if you didn't watch the first one, you need to watch the first one. Let's put this item and this item to the back of the page. Then let's go up here and go front minus back. So now we have our engravable part. We didn't have to use the virtual segment delete key. Now with this one, we'll select it all and we'll make a boundary. And let's cursor over. Let's change the boundary to a hairline. And let's change the boundary to red. This is probably actually faster. Now we can make this one our black. And then cursor over and down. Now it is going to engrave this line, but you're going to cut it anyway, and it might kind of be a neat effect. Now you're going to say, well, we're missing some inside parts. And the easiest way I would think of to do this is because you've got some parts that need to be cut out and some that don't need to be cut out. And so you could use the Smart Fill tool and fill that in, move it over, fill that in, move it over, fill that in, move it over, fill that in. This is a good exercise. Then take your items and cursor down. Then take your new items and left click no fill, right click hairline, red, and cursor down. Now you have cutouts and engraving, and this should work. Let's take the cutout part and just kind of look at it. See, that should cut out without causing any problems. This is going to cut out on that line, but it should still be intact. So I think everything is going to work. So that's actually a faster way than using the virtual segment delete key. Hope that wasn't too confusing. Anyway, thank you for watching.